Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the fan clutch on Mercedes Sprinter W906 316. This is a V6 engine. The fan clutch is located on the front of the engine. We can see it's right there. So first we need to remove the air filter housing in order to get access to the fan clutch. First we'll start by removing the air filter housing. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. We'll just put the air filter housing to the side, and now we'll remove the engine cover. Next we're going to be removing the clutch fan. In order to remove the clutch fan, first we need to remove the diffuser for the clutch fan, and it's held on the two sides by two clips. That's it on the other side. We're not going to remove this diffuser completely right now. We're just going to get it loose so that we can go behind it and remove the clutch fan. Now I'll show you the clutch fan from a closer view, and to see what tool we need to remove it. That's it there. We need to remove this bolt, and it's Allen key size 8. We'll put our arm in there in this hole with the ratchet and try and take out the bolt. In my case, where I'm trying to get it loose, the whole fan is moving, so I'm going to use pliers to get the fan from behind, and then I'll remove the bolt. That's how I got the fan from the back with the pliers, so that it doesn't turn when I try to remove the bolt. Now that the bolt is loose, I can take out the bolt and take out the fan as well. And that's the fan clutch out. Next we're going to put on the new fan clutch and assemble everything in the reverse order. After we put on the fan clutch, we need to tighten it. You can use again pliers to hold it while tightening so that it doesn't turn, and then afterwards assemble everything else in the reverse order. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.